Hi guys, welcome back. Securities Trader here. So we will tell you to how we make your profit before we execute your trade in a sale. What I sell was right now. We did our SL and first target hit, second target also hit. We have executed third trade. If is it possible, this is our target here. We ended up at support level here. In the support level. So we have to wait for here. If it's going up, it's totally upside market. You can see, right? And this is Nifty. Other one, I show you Nifty. We take third one trade here. First one we hit a target here, support level, support SL. This is second trade we hit profit. Third one trade we have a target here. This one trend line. If it's hit, that's very good. I hope you see our videos and everything, all our strategies and our signal. You can follow us in Telegram and YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like our YouTube channel.